It's Tuesday, you know what that means. Would I still buy it? Tuesdays. What's up, everyone? I'm Tool Squatch, aka Big Josh. Welcome back to another episode of Would I Still Buy It Tuesdays, the weekly series where we revisit a tool we purchased, got some time with it, a few months here or there, using it every day, and we report back to you. Would we still buy it knowing what we know now? And tonight, we're looking at this beautiful tool. Can any of you guys guess what this is? What do you guys think is in this Milwaukee fuel case? Obviously, it's a Milwaukee fuel tool, but let's take a look. Let's see, what do we got here? Oh, you guessed it, the M12 Install Driver. You got it. Let's get into it, guys. Now, for all of you that don't know what an installation driver is, it is a multi-facet drill driver of different sorts with different attachments so that you can get in the tight spaces when your other drill just can't get in there. Those attachments are your regular drill chuck, okay? Works just like a regular drill, okay? Your 1/4-inch collet, so this acts like a regular drill, but you just got the 1/4-inch collet so you can just pop stuff in and out. You don't got to chuck it down, okay? And you see how easy these are to come on and off, okay? It's that easy. You got your right angle attachment. So say you got to get in between something, right? And this isn't going to fit in there. Well, pop on your right angle attachment and boom, you can get right in there. And then last but certainly not least, this is probably my most favorite attachment because I can't tell you how many times you're trying to get up close to a wall or a ceiling and you got to go at an angle like that instead of driving it flush. Well, not anymore with this. Pretend my hand is the ceiling. Boom. Now it's going to drive your fastener or drill your hole completely flush. So no more going at it like this or like that. This is a great idea and attachment. It's got a 17 speed clutch, 16 plus a drill mode, okay? The forward and reverse is up here, 2 speeds, and it's a D handle. I mean, these aren't supposed to be the most powerful drill drivers on the market. They're meant for smaller type stuff, but we'll just do a 4-inch timber lock here in speed 2. There you go. Sunk the 4-inch timber lock with no problem. So it's got more than enough power to do your everyday tasks. So here's this offset attachment I was talking about. And if you see here, see how I can get right up in there with that offset? Boom. Okay. Got to take it out. This is a must-have for any woodworker, beginner or advanced, any homeowner, any contractor, electrician. It doesn't matter the trade. Besides automotive, it doesn't matter the trade. This tool comes in freaking handy, but especially if you're a woodworker, okay? You know when you're trying to get in the tight spots, trying to fasten things together, it can be a pain in the butt, especially with cabinetry, okay? This thing comes in super handy with cabinets and cabinet making. It is a, well, quote-unquote game changer when this came out, okay? I hate using that word, but I'm just trying to give you an example of how much I enjoy this tool. Now, are there other models of this out on the market? Yes. You got the brand new DCD 803. We have reviewed that tool. Go check it out. I got a long format video up on it. We like that tool as well. That obviously has more power than this because that's a 20 volt model. This is only 12. Bosch has 18 and 12 volt models. I have not tested the Flexi Clicks, so I can't speak on them, but from what other friends and other channels have said, they are great as well. Skill also has a homeowner version of this. Probably not as good, but if you're a homeowner just looking to get an install driver, that works too. Dremel makes their install driver form. It's called the Blueprint. It's not really an install driver, though. It's kind of like a hybrid type tool. So there are a bunch of different versions of this tool. And in my opinion, this is still my favorite one right here. The only thing I don't like about it is this D handle because I got a bigger hand, okay? I grip the battery down here, you know what I mean? I got this bigger hand, but it doesn't come in, it's not that big of a pain in the butt. It's not a deal breaker, okay? Grip-wise, I like the DeWalt DCD 803 a little bit better. But all around, I feel like this is the better tool than the DCD 803. The DCD 803 also has wobble to it. The bits wobble in it a little bit, and it is in the Atomic line. This is all metal gearing, okay? The DeWalt has some plastic in there. So, as I'm saying, know what you're buying before you buy it. If you're a professional, you probably want to go this route. If you're a homeowner, maybe the DeWalt one, the Skill one's a little bit better. But for my money, this is the one I choose. Y'all want to know Would I still buy it? Of course. I would buy this every day and twice on Sunday. That's how good this thing is. I absolutely love it, and I recommend it to anybody, beginners or novices, homeowners or professionals, and anywhere in between. This tool will find work. And just a little hint, the second gen of this is coming out very soon. So kind of excited for that. But for my money, I'd still buy this all day long. You can get these on sale right now for very, very cheap. I would jump all over that and not be so enamored with the new model. This is plenty good. If you can get this thing for 70, 80 bucks, I'd jump on it all day. Leave your comments in the comments section. Let me know what you think. Have other models surpassed this or not? Or is this still one of the top install drivers on the market today? And we will see all of you right back here next Tuesday for Would I Still Buy It? Tuesdays. Give them a little fanboy shimmy. Oh, yeah. Fanboy shimmy. Talk to y'all later.